Hi guys, welcome to Razon.com. We have in front of you is the Hyundai i20 N-Line. Yes, the N-Line has made it to the Indian market, and there are going to be a lot of changes on the inside and the outside. But most importantly, let's run with the cosmetic changes that we can see in front of us. These are the brand new alloy wheels. I think they are very nice, unique, look really good. The front headlamp remains the same. What you get here is of course a piano black grille with a bumper which has a red line that's running around. It makes it look very aggressive, very nice. And fog lamps of course, which also has some vents in it, just like the normal i20. That's the new N-line badging. Blackened out mirrors, no dual tone roof, but you've got a sunroof of course. And the side plate of course also gets a red line that's running around all the way. Again, the alloy wheels look very nice. This is the rear of the car, remains unfazed to a large extent, except for these N-line badging here and very poop shoots as we like to call it. The spoiler is here, and there's also a diffuser at the back. As you can see, it's black in color, so you might be able to not notice it. This white color looks good. That's the blue color over there. Let's get inside. A brand new steering wheel. This sort of V shape looks really good. You've got red accents just like the top end version. This is the manual. As you can see, black seats with red stitching. You've got this checkered flag inspired logo on the seat, red contrast stitching here as well as on the steering. Got an ambient lighting here, sort of. It's reflector, but it will look like an ambient lighting as you can see in the dark now. Footwell also has lights, sporty pedals, and as you can see, the steering is new. The big screen, the connected features, wireless mobile phone charger, everything else remains the same on this car. Sadly there's no key here, so we can't show you that, but sunroof, height adjustable seat belts, and yeah, it remains the same when it comes to practicality. The extended space that we saw in the new i20 is of course here as well. We've got 6 airbags at the top variant, and let's discuss some numbers and details that we have. It's the 1 liter turbo, so it makes 120 PS, 175 Newton meters. There's no change in the engine sadly, but Hyundai is saying that they've changed the suspension and all 4 wheels have disc brake on them, so that is really good. The exhaust also has been revised. We'll obviously come to know that when we drive it in the next couple of weeks, and yeah, that is most likely how we like to sum up the i20 here. And pricing has not been revealed yet. Bookings are on for the car at 25,000 rupees. Pricing should come in the next week, so stay tuned, stay subscribed. We'll let you know more about that, and that's what we can tell you right now. It looks promising. Hyundai N-Line has a motorsport heritage. That's where this car comes from. The N stands for Namyang, where the car was actually made in their R&D center in South Korea. And of course the N also comes from the Nürburgring, where most N models are tested. So N also has quite a lot of going. The N-Line has quite a lot of going for it, and we'll see in the future if we can get bigger engines, more power in the same bracket, in the same cars that we are used to from Hyundai. A proper N-Line with 20-30 more horsepower would be always great. And I'll see you next time when we probably drive it and in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.